looking at the river. It rained enough to where we got some water running. Anyways, this is why we're here. I want to give you guys a kind of a close look on my order for anyone who's interested in purchasing the Monkey Beaver Speedline kit. Comes with the 2 mollies, the Rock Exotic carabiners. I'm gonna give you a close look what to expect. We could probably maybe replace this one for another carabiner, kind of like this one. We'll try this one out first. I'm not really too, I don't know. We'll see how this one stands up to the job. Carabiners are real nice on the slings. Looks like it'll be real nice to work with. One-handed operation. Nice sling. Also, you got the Rion's Rounds tether. Haven't used it either. Just want to give you guys a close look what to expect. The quality feels real nice. You could tell it's good quality. So yeah, let me know what you think, YouTube. I'm gonna give you a shot of this. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, YouTube.